Already one SD mount man. So just a quick video before I return this. This is that hand forged 9-inch. It actually was SZCO or SZCO, SZCO or SZCO knife. I believe it was Missouri Survival that showed it, and a few others have gotten it. This one here on the right is the first one I got. That's not the knife. The knife I got with it has a little chip right down here in the corner, a little wood chip out of it, but no big deal. But this right here, that on that first one I got, that's why I'm returning. It's like charred. I'm not sure what the deal is. You can see the crystal, it's like charred. So I wasn't really impressed with that. So they sent me I got to return that one, and they sent me another one. Anyway, they're I don't know what to do with the box now. Crying out loud. Good grief. Actually, these are made in Pakistan. There's the HS-4424 is what it was. And they're actually what they're called. They're by Rite Edge Forge series. So I don't know if that SZCO, whatever that is. I've seen a bunch of them before and kind of wondered. This is my first one. They're pretty daggone thick and whatnot. So we'll see when I get feeling a little bit better. My arm feels better. I might even just go out and see what I can do left-handed without hurting myself. Anyway, that's it for me. Just showing that what I come up with, what happened when I got them. I've been having some problems with Amazon lately. Stuff not showing up on time, taking way longer, and I apologized the other night. I understand weather and stuff like that, but it's just kind of getting ridiculous. And then like, well, this wasn't wrong, shipped wrong, but I've had 2 or 3 other items shipped wrong, the wrong item, wrong brand, the last couple of orders. So anyway, kind of give them a piece of my mind on that. That's it for me, SD Mountain Man. Take care, everybody.